imagine seeing that this error pop up on your screen. Don't panic, because I've got the fix to make it disappear fast. To solve this error, the first method is to open My Computer on your desktop or Start menu. Then find your C drive and right-click on it. From the menu that pops up, click on Properties. A new window will open. Go to the Tools tab at the top. Under the Error Checking section, you'll see a button that says Check Now. Click it, and a small box will appear. Make sure both options like Automatically Fix File System Errors and Scan for and Attempt Recovery of Bad Sectors are checked if you want a full fix. Then hit Start, and Windows will scan your drive for problems and fix them if it can. The second method is to use the command prompt. Click the Start button, type CMD in the search bar at the bottom, and when command prompt shows up, right-click it and select Run as Administrator to open it with full permissions. In the black window that appears, carefully type the command sfc/scannow. Make sure there's a space between sfc and /scannow. Then press Enter. This tells Windows to check all your important system files for anything broken or missing, and it'll repair them automatically if possible. This process can take some time, maybe 10 to 20 minutes depending on your computer, so be patient. Once it's finished, it'll show you a message about what it found and fixed. These two ways should help get rid of that error.